All right, guys. So here's how we do the exporting of our current clients into our project broadcast for Optavia coaches. Really simple. Here I'm in my office. Obviously not showing you everything in my office, just going to show you this area without the name. So you're going to go to client support, and then I just do clients report. Make sure you're on your front line only, depending on how long you've been a coach. You know, you don't want to get confused with your other coach's clients. So these are your front line only. Then what I would recommend, I've been coaching for a while, so this list can get really long if you've been coaching for a while. So you want to stick with more active. So what I do is I tend to go to their last order date, and if you click here on there's three dots right next to last order date, you click there, and then if you go in and you're going to filter, for me, let's just use this as an example, is after or equal to. So I only want people who have had an active order either from, basically I'm going to say, let's just say from the first of this year, and we're doing this in 2022. So I go back to January 1st of 2022 and I say, I only want you to show me clients that are mine, frontline only, that have had an order on or after January 1st of 2022. Click the filter button, and then it's going to give you just those clients. And you're going to go ahead and click download to CSV. It's going to drop it in there. And from there, what we'll do is we'll open, I use numbers. You can use whatever you want to use. I use numbers. And so we'll go into numbers. Now, then from there, you're going to open up your project broadcast. Do this from your laptop or desktop computer. Can't do this from your phone. You're going to open up your project broadcast, sign in. Once you are complete and signed in, and obviously it takes some time every once in a while. Once you're signed in, you're going to go to your hamburger. That's what I call this area, is your hamburger right here. It's the more button, but it looks like hamburger to me. So you're going to go to your hamburger. You're going to open that up. You're going to go to import contacts. From there, you're going to select your import file. I kept mine on my desktop, so you're going to go clients or whatever you named it. I called this sample. You're going to open this up. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but here's what you're going to do. It's going to look at that CSV file, and it's going to look for those headers. So phone number, it should be matched with the one that said phone. Email should be matched with the one that says email. It's going to automatically do this for you, but just in case you want to verify this. Now, tags, what you can do is it has all the headers that were available to you when you exported the CSV file from Numbers or Excel or Google Sheets, whatever you're using. It has all of those. So what you could do in your tags area is if you'd have left one of those columns, you could have chosen that column, and whatever the content of that column would then be used to create a new tag for that, for every single person that you import. So for example, if you were importing and you wanted to know, these are all my current clients, or you wanted to know their order date and you wanted there to be a tag for their last order date, you could actually do that. So that's what that's for, but you don't have to. And then additional tags is if you want to add your own tags to every single person being brought in. So for example, I could type in 2022 client. So these are all my clients that are from 2022. If you add that, that will now be a tag that is applied to every single contact that's being imported. And you can do multiples of those as long as you just put a comma between them. And you can say personal, frontline, whatever you want to do. That's what tags are very useful. So I utilize that. Then you want to check again, first name, last name. These are other things that might be in there. We don't have a lot of these because they don't give them to us in the optavia world. And then any notes you want to put in for that contact, they'll show up, but it's going to be every single contact that's in this field. And then any of your custom fields. We use custom fields for other things, but you can use custom fields for anything at all. And so you could apply custom fields here, but remember, it's only going to take them from what's available on that CSV file. So you would have to add that as a column in your spreadsheet before you export it to CSV for this to work. Once you've done that, all you have to do is hit the save button. I am not going to hit the save button for this example because I already have these contacts in there. But once you do, it's going to produce all of those clients will be ready to go. They'll be sitting right there and you'll be able to access them. Again, I highly recommend you use a tag of some sort so that you'll find those particular clients that you just imported using tags. All right, I hope that's helpful for you as you are working to import your client list.